Hello my friends and American patriots. My name is Tom with Weapons Education. Please subscribe. Please pass this to a friend. Ring that bell so you get future notifications. And this is an important video. It's time sensitive, meaning that what I'm going to talk about are the essential products you need for concealed carry right this moment, right now, at the timing of this video. So we're looking at a piece I just picked up, a beautiful HK45 with the dark earth, I call it, two-tone HK45. And what we're going to talk about is most people have a pistol already. This is for concealed carry. So you've got your pistol, and there's a lot of new gun owners out there, so thank you for jumping on board with us. Please subscribe to the channel. You can learn a lot here. And I'm trying to save you some money and also save you some aggravation in this video. What you want right now, emergency, you probably already got your pistol, like I said. You need a carry permit. If you don't have the carry permit yet, maybe your state does not require one, that's fine. But if it does require one, get it now. Okay, enough said on that. If you do not have coverage to carry a gun and pay for your legal fees if you shoot someone in self-defense, called CCW Safe. The link is below. I've talked about them for 7-8 years now. They're the only company who has legally went through the whole trial of someone who shot someone in self-defense and paid over $500,000, and he's scot-free, innocent, and all he did was pay for his membership. There is no competition when it comes to this type of coverage. Everyone's going to say, well, I got this one, this USC something, or I got this one. The CCW Safe, if you look at their side-by-side comparison, is the best of the best. So just get the ultimate plan and get it done with. This is essentials to get now. The link is below for this. Now, magazines. Now here's a good point, and I want to focus on magazines. You know, I focused a lot on ammunition through the years. Buy ammunition, get it now, systematically buy it. It's a commodity. These are all the things I spoke about, ammunition. It turned out I was right, and now it's extremely hard to get. Magazines. I bought this HK45, got it about a week ago, came with 2 mags. Went to get more mags, sold out, gone, gone, gone. Oh boy. I managed to pick up 2 more, and my recommendation is for the pistol you own, whatever it is, a Glock, a Beretta, an FN, it doesn't matter which pistol is your carry pistol, a Sig Sauer. I recommend 10 mags for that gun. Just envision, well, what if I can't get products for this pistol in the future? I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying, well, just what if? What if it's really difficult to get magazines in the future? Like right now, trying to find an HK45 magazine. You'd think it'd be simple, just look it up and pick it up. Go to your gun shop, buy one. Nope, not that way. And there's a lot of magazines that are that way also. Get them now. These are emergency essential products you need for concealed carry now. You need your pistol, you need mags. I spoke about ammunition in the past. You know, I'm a double tap fan for self-defense because I happen to think they make the highest quality. self-defense ammo. There's other ones out there that are good, but I like double tap, and I like for 45s, I like the 450 short Magnum cartridge, the most powerful 45 ACP to go into a 45 without modifying the pistol. Just don't put these high-powered 45s into a low, cheap-end $250 or $300 gun. You know, put them into a, Glock is good, your Springfields are good, your XDMs, your, of course, HKs, FN, 6 Sauer, all that stuff's good. And but double tap for any caliber or whatever you can find right now, 1,000 rounds per gun. So get your ammo and get your 10 mags per gun. I don't know how to stress that enough. You'll thank me in the future. And I'm going to reiterate, don't carry a gun unless you have legal coverage going this from now forward. Just, you got to have this. It goes hand in hand. The link is below for CCW Safe. Now, you need a holster, right? Well, that's where I come in with my personal company that I own. Here, I'll show you. This is just one portion of it. Look how beautiful the mag pouches are on a shoulder holster. This happens to be basket weave. It's got the high-end stitching. Just look at the harness. It's bowed out for the shoulder. Gorgeous, the highest end leather in the nation, and I pride myself in this. So anything in leather that you need for concealed carry, you go to Weapons Education Holsters.com, and that link is below. So far you got two links. You got the holsters link below, Weapons Education Holsters.com, and you got the CCW Safe link below to get that legal coverage. Now, as we look at the pistol, I'm going to tell you what else is emergency needed right now, and that's a first aid kit. Now, you might say, oh, well, I can get that anytime I want. I can get first aid 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Nope. We don't know. We got a pandemic going on. Two things you want. My first aid kits, by the way, are huge. They're expedition bags with 60, 70 items in each one. But quick clot and also a good tourniquet. And there's a lot of different types of quick clot. And that's if, heaven forbid, you get shot, you got to stop the bleeding. We don't have much blood in our body, only, I believe, 7 liters. And if you happen to shoot someone in self-defense, you want to go to their aid and help them. First stop the bleeding, and then help the breathing. But these are the things you need now. Of course, you need a cleaning kit. You need things to go to the range. You need things like earmuffs and glasses for the range, goggles, and knee pads, and all those different types, range bags and all. Now I'm talking about emergency right now. You need your carry permit. You need the legal coverage insurance. You need, of course, you got your pistol. You need 10 mags. I really want to focus on the mags. Get your mags now. I mean now, not 2 weeks from now, not 4 weeks from now, not 8 weeks from now. Now, for whatever pistol you have, whatever, it's a SIG, it's a Glock, no matter what it is, get them now. You need 1,000 rounds of ammo. I know it's pricey. I've been saying it for years. It's a commodity. It's like gold. You're not going to lose money on ammo. It's whatever you pay now, even though it could be up to $2 a round. What about shotgun shells? They're $10 a round now, a shell. So they'll be $20 in 2 years. It's going to go up. I hate to say it. Get ammo and 1,000 rounds. Listen, talk about your pistol, your carry system. And that's it. That's what I wanted to mention. These are the essentials you need now. Your pistol, your mags, your ammo, your carry permit, and your legal insurance, and a good shoulder holster. And the 2 links are below. One for the shoulder holster and one for CCW Safe. Do not forget, I've got a wonderful gun forum called weaponseducation.net. Go there, sign up, and talk to everybody and see what's going on there. Weaponseducation.net. And we've got weapons education holsters for the holsters. Then we've got weapons education safes for safes and vaults. But most importantly, this video is to let you know, really I wanted to focus on mags. Because people are missing out now. And I bought this gun, I couldn't believe I couldn't even get mags for it. And then I got into looking at all my other pistols, and the mags are like all gone. Alright, my name is Tom. I care about all of you. Please subscribe, ring that bell, let your friends know about me. And I care about all of you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thumb up the video.